Guys, what's up? This is Jones0. I'm going to show you how to do this clone effect. I have been having some troubles with the effect clone thingy, and I've been having some problems with the syncing of retarded ass hypercam. So let's get together and getting it all together. So I already got this together. Let me just undo the track effects and whoops, just go right here and then hit delete track. Okay, so I'm gonna go. You want to go to F Video Effects or Track FX, which is going to be down by the video overlay wherever you have your video at, right next to this track motion. And you want to choose Cookie Cutter. White square, white border, square center, white border, and you're going to drag it down on top of the first clip. When you do that, you want to get rid of the border. You're going to repeat Y all the way up, and then you're going to choose size, a little bit big, and then you're going to go up here to neither cutaway all but section or cutaway section. I use cutaway section. I think it looks a lot more cleaner. And basically just fit the split screen on the side here and then feather it up. Now you might get this ghosting effect. Just go back and forth to however you see, and if it doesn't look right, turn up the size. And that looks pretty good right there. To make this a saved, if you don't want to, now if you're being lazy and don't want to sit here and figure all this out again, just go up here to plugin chain, then save it as split screen by just hitting save as split screen, whatever, clone, and that's how you can save the plugin, so you don't have to keep doing it over and over and over and over and over. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.